Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we add backup camera to OEM radio for a Jeep Wrangler. That's the camera that we use. So basically the radio is a stock radio with a satellite radio and hard drive. So as soon as we go to reverse, the screen change to backup camera, and we go back to park or drive, it goes back to factory mode. And this radio came with navigation. That's a factory nav. And again, we go to reverse. As you can see, the screen pops up to backup camera. We do have two different type of cameras. So according to the bumper of the car and the location for the camera, we can do two different type of cameras. If you're interested to get this job done, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can order the part online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.